Welcome to Frugal Security. This video explores how to repurpose your old Android device into a reliable, wireless home security camera using smart engineering. Every year, global e-waste reaches 60 million tons, while new security systems cost hundreds of dollars. By repurposing old phones, we create a free, zero-waste solution to home security. Old smartphones feature high-resolution sensors, integrated microphones, and backup batteries. These superior hardware components allow them to outperform many entry-level security cameras. Choosing the right software is key. We have options like AlfredCamera for an all-rounder, Haven for privacy, IP Webcam for advanced users, and AirDroid Personal for occasional checks. Preparation ensures maximum performance. Start with a factory reset to remove lagging background apps, update the software, and then install your chosen surveillance application. Setup involves linking the old camera phone and your current viewer phone to the same Google account. You must grant the application necessary hardware permissions, like camera and storage access. Configure software settings to conserve energy. Enable motion detection, adjust sensitivity to avoid false alerts from pets, and activate screen dimming to reduce heat and save power. To mitigate heat from continuous video processing, remove the external case for airflow. Limit battery charge to 80% to prevent swelling and extend the battery's lifespan. Also, lower the camera resolution to 720p. Strategic placement is important. Clip-on wide lenses increase the visual field dramatically. Use reliable mounting hardware like a Gorilla tripod or heavy-duty adhesive mounts for stable positioning. For security, use WPA3 or WPA2 encryption. Isolate IoT devices on a guest network and enable two-factor authentication on your Google account to block unauthorized access. Anticipate system failures and legal limits. Use Wi-Fi mesh extenders for stability or apps like Haven for offline storage. Only monitor personal interiors. Avoid recording public sidewalks. Frugal innovation allows us to transform electronic waste into advanced security. By repurposing hardware, you secure your home and protect the planet.